Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic homestyle dish, tomato braised bean curd sticks.
It's comforting, flavorful, and I promise you will want to grab a bowl of rice to go with it. Look at the golden tofu skin soaking up their rich tomato sauce, tender mushrooms, and a sprinkle of fresh scallions on top. Doesn't it look irresistible?
Alright, let's get started.
First, we need to soak some dried tofu skin. You can use warm water or cold water, but don't use boiling water. It will make the texture tough. After soaking, it should be soft and springy. Next, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat them up and pour them right into the soaked tofu skin. Give it a good mix so everything is coated.
Now let's prepare the rest.
Dice up the fresh potato.
I've got some white beach mushrooms here, but honestly, any mushroom will do. They are already blanched. Just drop them into boiling water, let it come back to a boil 1 more minute, and then scoop them out.
And finally, a bit of minced garlic. That's all we need.
Prep is done. Now let's cook.
Heat some oil in the wok. Then add the tofu skin. Give it a quick fry on both sides until they turn golden and hold their shape. Take them out and set aside. With the remaining oil, toss in the garlic and let it sizzle. Now add the tomatoes. Cook them down really well until they break apart and turn into a saucy base. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a splash of water. Then ingo the mushrooms. Return the fried tofu skin to the wok. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a stir. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes so all the flavors come together. Plate it up. Sprinkle over some fresh scallions, and there you have it.
Let me try. The bean curd stick is so soft and it's bursting with that savory tomato sauce. The ingredients are simple, the method is easy, but the taste absolutely amazing. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.